Welcome back to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Google Play Games login problem so you can get back to playing your favorite games without any interruptions. Now, let's get started. Step 1. First, take your phone and clear the Google Play Games storage. To do that, open the Settings app on your phone. Now, scroll down and tap on the Apps option to open the list of installed applications. Step 2. Inside the Apps menu, go to the search bar at the top of the screen. Type Google Play Games in the search box, and when it appears in the list, simply tap to open it. Step 3. After opening it, scroll down the app info page until you see the storage option and tap on it. Here you'll find two buttons, Clear Cache and Clear Data. Tap both of them one by one to erase temporary files. Step 4. Once you've cleared the storage, tap the back button to return to the previous screen. Now, look for the Force Stop button and tap on it. Then confirm your action to stop the app completely. Step 5. After that, go back to the main app screen in your settings. Again, use the search bar at the top and this time type Google Play Services, then tap to open it from the results. Step 6. On the app info screen for Google Play Services, scroll down until you find the Storage section and tap on it. You'll see the same two buttons as before, Clear Cache and Clear Data. Tap on both to remove old or corrupted files. Step 7. Once the data has been cleared, go back to your home screen or apps drawer. Now locate the Google Play Games app and tap on it to open. Step 8. When the app opens, try to log in with your Google account. That's it. You've now successfully fixed the login issue and can enjoy all your games without any problem. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.